Spytech Software and Design is a company you're probably considering if you're looking for powerful, feature-packed surveillance and tracking software. But before you make any decision, there are a few key things you need to know about Spytech that can help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share how you can get a completely free trial of the product with exclusive benefits. First off, Spytech offers a wide variety of products that cater to different needs, from personal security to business monitoring. It's one of the few companies that offers a solid suite of tracking software for both mobile and desktop environments. So whether you need to monitor employee activity, track a lost device, or just keep tabs on your own phone, Spytech provides a comprehensive solution. But how does it compare to other brands in the space? Next thing, Spytech excels in its user interface. One of the biggest drawbacks of many surveillance tools is how complicated they can be to set up and use. But Spytech Software and Design stands out by offering an intuitive, easy-to-navigate interface. Setting up the software is a breeze, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Compared to competitors like mSpy or FlexiSpy, Spytech's interface is notably more streamlined and user-friendly, saving you time and frustration. The third thing is the range of devices Spytech supports. While many competitors restrict you to specific phones or operating systems, Spytech offers compatibility with a wide range of devices, including both iOS and Android, as well as desktop systems. This flexibility means you can track almost any device without worrying about whether it will work with the software. That's a huge win compared to other tools that limit you to a select few options. The fourth thing you need to know is that Spytech Software and Design offers a great value for the price. While some of the industry's top competitors can get quite pricey, Spytech gives you more features at a competitive price point. When comparing it to others like Hoverwatch or XNSpy, Spytech's pricing is much more affordable, especially when you factor in the ability to monitor multiple devices at once. Next, you've got to consider Spytech's customer support. One area where some other brands really fall short is in offering quality customer service. But Spytech has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. Their support team is available 24/7 to assist with any issues you might encounter, whether it's with installation or troubleshooting. This level of support is rare, especially when compared to some of the more expensive tools that leave you in the dark when things go wrong. Now let's talk about the features. Spytech Software and Design is packed with advanced features, including real-time GPS tracking, text message and call monitoring, internet activity tracking, and even access to photos and videos on the monitored devices. You can track keystrokes and even record calls, which sets it apart from a lot of other basic options that only monitor certain activities. Whether you're using it for personal use or to manage a business, these features offer great flexibility. The final thing to know is that Spytech's security measures are top-notch. They take your privacy seriously and use encryption to ensure that all the data you collect is kept safe. That's crucial, especially when dealing with sensitive information like text messages, calls, and GPS locations. This level of security is something to consider when comparing Spytech to other less secure products in the market. So, if you're ready to try Spytech Software and Design, I've got a special offer for you. You can click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure to give it a go and see for yourself why Spytech stands out in the crowded market of surveillance software.